Bigrizy Guard closed cell spray foam insulation delivers strong thermal performance and noticeable sound dampening, making garages, attics, and walls feel more comfortable year-round. The closed cell structure forms a continuous, rigid barrier that does not slump or settle, so the insulation you apply tends to stay effective over the long term. Its expanding polyurethane formula reliably fills awkward cracks and gaps, creating an airtight and moisture-resistant seal that helps cut down on drafts and condensation issues. The foam adheres well to a wide range of building materials, from wood and concrete to metal and drywall, which makes it useful for mixed construction projects and tricky retrofits. With a do-it-yourself friendly can design and clear guidance on application distance and temperature, it is straightforward for homeowners to lay down an even coat without specialized equipment. A 6-can kit that covers up to 120 board feet gives enough material for common upgrade jobs, like sealing a garage door perimeter or tightening up an attic envelope.